Live, I think I'm live. Think I'm live. Live again. Just coming on. I did get in a position. 2 contracts on traded micros. 2 contracts. Hit one. 2 contracts. So the contract got its 2 contracts. Scale out, one at 9 and one at 18. So first target was hit at 2 points and a tick. And so now I'm looking to see if we get to this 93.75, which is above the overnight's high of 9. Well, no, it's right below 93.75. On here, it looks like it's higher. 93.75. This high is 93 and a quarter. Okay, so that's not the overnight high. Overnight high is here. Overnight high is here, so I don't know if we'll get it, but look at see if we hit my first target. I move my stop right up, a tick above break even, because I want to keep that I don't want to pay commission. I want to make something above commission, pay for commission. So I do want tick above break even. So give me a second. I don't think my good mic is in. See if I get my good mic hooked up. Let me see if I can get it on. Let's see if I get my. Okay, it's on. So now my mic should be working. My good mic. Okay, so we may come back and get it out break even before the second target is hit. Okay. Yep. That's all right. It's 9:15 market open up. So I got in on this right here, this pullback and this break. Got in around this break and this pop here. So we rolled over. So my strategy today I have is 2 contracts on the micros. One exit at 9 ticks and the next exit at 18 ticks. So 2 points in a tick and 4 points in a tick. Actually 4 points in 2 ticks. That's 18. Should be 17. I put 18 there. 4 points in 1 tick. 2 ticks. The extra tick isn't bad, but I may change that. I'm not going to change it now. You know what? I have to change it on here also. That's what I have to change. You know, it's in December, around the holidays, so markets are going to be a little slower. Shakeout. If this is a shakeout bar, then we I'd like to see another rotation, because this rotation down. The 15-minute chart. Showing rotation down. Well, not rotation down, but we got a red bar that came back into point of control at 88.75. Shakeout bar, and then will this be the move up to maybe 98? Break the highs, overnight highs, and get to 98. May have some pullback before we go up. We in a bullish day. We up 11 points, 12 points, but we could close the gap. We open at 83. We could get a pullback, close the gap at 83. It's possible. Down here a little like below a VWAP. Trading with my Apex account. This account is not doing too good, so I may start it over. It's the first evaluation instead of after the month. is over, paying $93, I'll just cancel it and use the 80% discount again and get it back for $37. Get 2 of them again. Market will be open in about 17 minutes. 7 minutes. 17. Adding the 1. Adding the 1. In about 7 minutes, the market will be open. Let's see. I only got 1250 out there. Should have been more, but the way I have the account set up is it's trading the same as Apex, where if price goes higher and comes back, that is a drawdown. So I made some money, but then I drew down from the second contract that didn't make it to where it was supposed to go. I have to do some more checking, but I believe that's it because there's no reason. I got out at and made like $22, and then it just came back. And I got out at 1 tick. So let's see. Oh no, that's correct. 2 points in the tick. Right. It's correct. It's correct. I didn't get out two points at that. It'd have been 25 if I would have got out both contracts, not one. Just trying to get this math right. Get this math correct. The Mondo. $240 chart. Price keeps coming back in this to 85, 88 area. The close on this bar is 87. So price keeps coming back to this area here. $87, $88, $85, $88. Low one here is $86. We've been touching this $80, $85 around this area. The price keeps coming back around 85, 88, 85, 90. Staying close to 90. Point of control right now is around 88, 75. So we did a little double top. We didn't test the 93, 94. We did a little double top. We did a double top, pull back, and then didn't even get back higher. So this been coming lower. Been making lower highs right here. Making lower highs. So we'll keep a watch on this. Price is pulling back. Right before the opening. About 2 minutes for the opening. Price is pulling back. Bounce off a VWAP. See if it holds. We did a double bottom here and it started to move up. We're going to triple bottom out here. Or we're going to break and pull back. We was down here early below these levels on the 4-hour bar. Right here. And so when we started to break up and got back above this 88 level, that's when I got in for a continuation up, but it didn't go up. Market is open. Came back down to the 80, to the pivot point. Moving back up. Let's see where it wants to go. Haven't closed the gap yet. Got about 5 points to close the gap, which it looks like it may. May or may not, we'll see. First 15 minutes, I'm gonna stay out of this out of the markets. So 84 is here. We right up against this level, this close, this open 84 at this red ball. Keep touching that and then getting rejected, bouncing off, getting rejected off this 84 level. This open is 83. So let's see where this market wants to go. Try to give it some direction. Let it show itself. right. We got some whipping around here. We got some wicks here, so we whipping. Price keep coming back into the 82, the open level. Can we get above the pivot and stay? Can we stay above 80? Hourly bar is heavy. Got another 7 minutes before the next 15-minute bar opens up. Close the gap. 78, 78.50. We close the gap. Let's see where this market wants to go. We get rejected at 82, rejected at 84. We keep getting these pops and then come down a little lower, a little lower, a little lower. Above 80. We get above 80. If we can get back above 80, which also puts us back above the pivot point. But if we go down, the next stop is what, 61. I got ripped down here Friday, and it may go today, but I'm not taking any shorts until these in this area. Okay, testing the lows. But it's still coming down. There we go. There's just the pop, just the bounce. We got 15-minute bar about to open up. We're pulling back for the next 15-minute bar to set up. About 1 minute. Fifteen seconds. My clock up here is off about 1 minute. Okay, it opened up around 78. Do we make new lows? This is continuation to make new lows. Test 61. Or do we get a little reversal, shoulders, head and shoulders to move for a move up? 81, 72. Let's see. Which side is going to get squeezed? I do not want to be on the side that's going to be squeezed. I am favoring the long though. I am favoring the long. See if I can get in. Okay, I'm in. Let's see if my long is good or not. We got to get above pivot point. Once my first target is hit, if it's hit, which it hasn't, nope, first target hasn't hit. Not staying over 80 so far. I would have liked saw it move, but maybe this is a consolidation and it comes back down. All right, stopped out. So thought that may have been the move up, but it's not. That's why the stops are in place. I want to take a break at the low. I don't. I got ripped coming down here in this area already. See if I can get in. Okay, I'm in. See if we can get up. See if we got a little double bottom down here. Can't get through where I get in at, right? Come on. Okay. Now we shouldn't be getting out here on two contracts. Don't know why I did that, but that's not supposed to be. One, and then the next one is that. Uh-huh. I see what's happening. Just hanging around here. Only got one, huh? Cancel this order. I was gonna move my stop to break even. Would have been stopped at break even. Okay. Put me in a different position when I took that order. Closed one and got me in another one. Okay. Where am I? See if I can get in here. Okay, I'm in. Are we still trying to make go lower, or we see if we get a move up off this low? If we can stay above, well, see if we can get above some of this above this moving average. Don't look like we are. Just bounce around here. Look like you may get stopped out. Okay. Stopped out of there. Okay. Let's see. Low on here is what? 72 and a quarter. Got it getting in a little early. I'm looking for possible bounce, but getting in, if I get out here, if it take me out here, then I'm on the wrong side too early, and I'm just gonna call it a day. The low on here is 72. Can we get a push here? First target. Can we get it? My first targets is just 2 ticks. Give me 1 tick. Okay. Next target. Now I'm gonna move my stop to 1 tick above break even. If we can get the next target. Got this trend line. 78 and a quarter. Gotta get past this. Gotta get past the moving average. Gotta get past this. Might have a tough time getting past. We in this trend line also. So if we get a little squeeze from these shorts, we may be able to get it. Up 3 points. Is that all we're gonna get is the 3 points? Look like that 4 points is hard to come by. 78 and a quarter. What we looking at? 78 and 50 at 78.50. Gotta break the trend line to get the second target. Don't look like it wanna break. Need a little pop. We got some orders. We got 134 orders at 78. 78 is standing in the way. '78 is standing in the way. Got 2. Couldn't make it. Didn't make the second. Let me see if I can get long in this. Trying to get long in here. Hold up. Am I in 4 positions or 2? I was only supposed to be in 4 positions, so I gotta get out one of them. Come on. I'm only supposed to be in 2 positions, so boom. Okay. Not supposed to be in 4 positions, so got out of that. See if we can get off these lows. See if we can get off these lows here. We having a hard time though, getting off these lows. Look like we may can go lower. Having a problem breaking above the open of the forward chart. This open of the forward chart 73.75. If we can get above 73.75, but that's where we having the problem at, getting above that 73.75. And if we can get above it, then we may have a chance. I don't like it shaking around here like this, because it look like it may go lower. I don't like it shaking. I get a little nervous when it goes shaking. And there we go. It's going to the downside. 73, that 74 held, was rejected off the 74, so that 74 held. Come back down to test 70. Next stop is 61. $66 is where, around that 66, 67 area is where I got chopped out last time. I kept getting stopped out. Trying to short down here last time. See if I'm making 70 in the court, 70, 70, 75. See if we can hold above 70. The low is 68. I don't know if we at the lows yet, but what time is it? 10:14. Another 15-minute bar about to open up in about 2 minutes. Nope, it's still going down, about to break new lows. About to break new lows. On the wrong side, trying to get a bounce here. The day I'm going short, I get stopped out. The day I'm going long, I'm getting stopped out. Another 15-minute bar opens up in about 10 seconds. And here it is, just open. The high is 68.75. If I can get in, I'm in. Do we go? Where am I in at 68.74 at the open? Oh, still going down. Still going down. Yep, so that's it. I'm not taking any more trades today. Well, high of the 15-minute bar 69.25. We're still going down. Here we go. Try to get in and see if we can get it. See if we get some pullback somewhere. Try to see if we get the pullback somewhere. Can we get to 71? Okay, first target hit. Move. Stop the break even. 73. Can we get to 73? Two points. The open on this bar is what? 73.75. We get it or no? Maybe a struggle to get 6 points from 69. And that's 6 points, 68, 69. Okay. We're gonna stay above 69 and a quarter. That's this bar. We're gonna stay above 69 and a quarter. Look like we may. Aha. I don't have it on. Let me see something. Okay. So I think one of my Apex accounts is maybe maybe below my so one of my Apex accounts is blown. Okay. So I gotta take that off. One of my Apex accounts is blown, so I gotta take that off, and that is the alright, so now I have to take that off. Yep, so one of my Apex accounts is blown, and now we're making a move. So I have to take that off. Okay. So let me take that account off. come back down to this area. 63 area, 65, 63 area. And it's 61. See if I can get in here. I was still going down. Was looking for it to go up for pop. Little double bottom here. Low 66, maybe a little double bottom. And hold below these lows. Still making lower lows. Something is not right. Hold on. Yeah, that's right. Yes. Yes. Ah, that's it. Oh, the sim. No, that's sim. Account one. MES. MES. Okay. This can't be right. Try it again. This time, I'm going to move my stop up here. So I think we get a push back from 62. We could get a push from 62. Where we at up here? I'm moving this to break even. Wanted to keep going. I don't want to pull back. What's the low on here? The low on here is 60. Can we get 66? Do we get 66? No. Nah, don't get 66. Don't want to give him 66, huh? What's the low of this bar? 63. I'm going to give it some room to see. I'm going to give it some room. Nope, not yet. We still go down or we go up. You're up 2 points. We can stay over 60. Can we get to 66? $65 quarter. 65. We stuck at 65, not 66. Another 15-minute bar opened up and just came down. So 4 points is really not working in my entries so far. The high on this 15-minute bar is 64 in the quarter. And just came down. And there we go. Now it's going to take my 66. Now it's going to take my 66 maybe. Yeah, 65. There we go. Now it takes it. Came back down. Stop me. And now it goes. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's see how it works around this 70, we got 71, 72 as a resistance. So see what we do with this trend line. See what we do with this trend line. So we got wicks above the 65, 66. And we got wicks below 65, 66. There may be a squeeze coming somewhere. Trying to see if I can get in on a squeeze. Where we getting bought and sold this area. Yeah, some rejection at 68.50. We got a little shoulders, head, shoulders. Breakout of what? High 70, low 58, 12 points up to 82. Where we got up here? 78, 80, back up into VWAP. Part back into the 65 area. Another 4-minute bar opens up, and 15-minute bar opens up in about 4 minutes, 3-4 minutes. Almost about 2 minutes then. We got another bar open up about 2 minutes. Got another bar open up about 2 minutes. We on the trend line here. Looking to see if we can keep this trend line. Stochastic is pointing down on a bigger time frame. We got a couple of resistance support levels here. It's not perfect, just trying to get it. We could do from this bar here with these two touching, 1, 2, 3 touches, and just say this dip below it, and this still may have room to come to 68.55 to touch it. I got burnt trying to short in here Fridays, and I'm getting burnt trying to go long down here. Go for the day at 58. And we're still in an uptrend, no matter how you look at it. But we can come down, test the lowest 56, which is just S1 level, support 1 level here. Could probably get down back into this level here that I have highlighted, where price was over and under, came up. It was support and resistance level around here in these levels. If I bring it back, I can, it's like this, where price was over and under these levels here at the top and at the bottom of this range. At the top and the bottom of this range, price was in here at one time. Consolidate. Okay, 15-minute bar opened up 62. 62. Let's see if it holds up a little bit. Do we get a double bottom and a consolidation? 63.25. Do we get some type of bounce down here? Do we get a double bottom? $62, 63, 62.25. I'm gonna see if I can get 62.25. Took it pretty easy. See if we get a bounce. Still back at that 66. Still got some ways to go. Nope, don't look like it's getting a bounce just yet. I don't like the way it's sitting here where it could turn over and not getting a squeeze. I want a squeeze bounce, not a slow grind up. I want to squeeze. If it don't squeeze, the shorts ain't feeling it. Now the 3-minute bar just open up. Do that get no? You're not getting the squeeze up. It's not squeezing up. Thought we get the double bottom squeeze. Can I hold on? That's the question. Can I hold on? They can hold on. Can I hold on? Can I get a first target? Touching. Okay, first target hit. Move to break even. See if we can get the second target before we come back down. I'm looking for the squeezes. I'm not looking for the consolidating, but my target is above the trend line, which is not good because we've been bouncing off this trend line, haven't broken it. So if my target is in the trend line, it's going to be a harder harder move to get through. Give me a second. Gotta make sure my accounts is set up correct over here. Okay, still leading with the Apex account. Question is it turning over? Do we got a shoulders, head, and the shoulders now? For another breakdown? Who knows? 55. The high is 70, 55. 15 points. 55 will take us back to 6,800. No, the low is 59. Did I say 55? 59. 50, 59 and 70. I'd say 10 points, rounded off 9, 10 points. 50, 68.50. If it break here, 68, looking at 68.50. What's this? 68.55. I don't want to short. I got ripped Friday down here. I do not want to short. I'd rather take longs down here actually. Even though it looks heavy, I know it looks heavy. What's this low? This low is 58. That's this low. We can break this low. And maybe get some stops that's below here. And some short sellers and squeeze them out. I would be. We didn't though. We came down to 58.50. This is 58. We came to 50. I don't think it's I don't think it's low enough. I want it to really really get below this and grab some liquidity to squeeze out. I don't really want to take it short. Then we got this low here, 56.75 on a bigger time frame. I really don't want to take these shorts down here. But I would like it to get lower. It can come. That's 61 short for the people that want to go short. That looked like it was, if it's gonna go lower, that would be a nice short at 61 for this break into 55. But like I said, I've been getting ripped down here. It's a red day. Mark it down 18 points. It can go lower. Test the Lord is 56.75. And the daily can't fall. Looking at this 56.75 here. All down here. 56.75. 58. Okay. So it's breaking the lows. It came and got below 56.75. $59.50. Next stop is 50. Shoulders, head and shoulders. If it completed, we said it was at what, 68.50. That was the target. If it broke 59, target is 58.50. Came back 59.60. Mm-mm-mm. 56.75. 56.75 is this low. 56.75 is this low right here. $54. $254. Head and shoulders completed. We had about 9-10 points from 6 to 59 at this break, 59.50. So we completed this 9-10 point move to the downside. Yeah, S2 now. Where to from here? We had a couple of trend lines. One could be here. This could be a trend line. If it breaking 50. Are we also going to break 50? If we break 50, we can get a stronger move down to 40 if we stay below 50. $48 to $50, got a couple of pops. We just been going down all day. It's 58 the low. Oh, we have 58. 48. It's 48 the low of the day. We'll see. 55. Do we get a pop here, or are they gonna shake weak positions out? Got a lower high here. We have a lower high forming. 15-minute bar open is 56.50 and the high is 56.50. So 56 is 50. Could be a turning point. To 61. You have to go up to 61. I wouldn't mind it pulling back, testing lows again. And then, if it doesn't go, to head lower. I mean, head higher. I'm gonna take this. Okay, I'm in. Let's see. Let's see if we can get past the 56.50 or if it's a bluff. If it's a bluff, see if it's a bluff. I want to see a squeeze. I want to see a squeeze. I don't want to see the pump fake and pull back and shaking like this. I want to see it go. First target hit. Move to break even. And if we can get to go, we get the 4 points. If not, we out at one tick. Want it to go. What's the low of this bar? 56. It's gonna shake. Let's see. All right. Got one target, didn't get the second target. Gotta fix the accounts. Gotta fix the accounts. Something ain't right. My Apex account ain't right. Keep bouncing off these off the trend line. Keep bouncing off the trend line. Or we headed lower. Wait and see if we can draw. Hold on. You know what I haven't drawn? A down channel. Which I should have drawn already. A down channel here. And I didn't draw it. Here with a down channel. So if we're going to get any lower to the S3, we got to go sideways in here. Because we're going to hit the support level on this down channel. If we're going to get here, we got to go around and maybe get in here around 12 o'clock, 12:30, or later. Or later, it can get us in a whole lot later, 1 o'clock afternoon. Do this because I do not want to get into an order. Okay. Here we go. Are we going to start an uptrend? Is this the start of an uptrend? Got a bounce at 52, up into 54, like a 2-point bounce. 2-point bounce. If a squeeze is going to happen, I want to ride it, but you know, they don't want to let us ride it before them. Okay, we having a breakdown. Look like it may get a pop. And there it is. From 54, 2 point. If it get to 58, that would be my 4 point. Still getting rejected. Popping to rejection. And that was the trade I didn't take. That hit both my targets. See which way it wants to go. Okay, we'll pull back. Let's see where it pulls back to. Does it stay above this pivot? Pull back to 57. Actually pull back lower. This is 55. Go back to 55. Another 15-minute bar opens up in about 4 minutes. We dance around here for 4 minutes. Let's see. Let's see where it goes. If it make lower highs, make higher lows, and start to break above that 60. Oh, I'm looking at something else and missed this. This is to open up another 3-minute bar. Don't want to take it below 60. I want to go long. It's the entry. It's the entry, and I'm kind of miss my entry. I want to take the break of 60 because it can reject 60 and break. I mean, reject 60 and pull back. Another 3-minute bar about to open up. That may give us the break we need. But we're only looking at 61, 62 up until the support level. That's now going to be resistance. So I kind of missed my trade here on this pullback. It bounced hard. And I was looking at another chart. Not a chart, but I was looking at something else. not the price. 15-minute bar just opened up. Set up. This 15-minute bar just opened up. $65. Can we get it? Yeah. We got this trend line and support level. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it if I can get it. If I can get 57, I don't know if he's still going up, but I'm gonna try to take it. See if we can get a push higher off this trend line, or hope we don't break the trend line. Trying to get a bounce off of this trend line down here. It's a little close to what just happened. We gotta get a break up. Maybe we get, if this bar breaks above, oh, no, we going down right here. Look like we going down some more. Breaking this trend line. We're sitting on this support. Hopefully this support can if this support can hold. Or maybe we still on a downtrend. Don't really look like this gonna go my way. and it didn't. I'm gonna take this off. Something is not happening. Which account is this? You know what? I'm gonna just, something is not happening, so I'm gonna just keep that off. I'm gonna change this to my live account. Aha. Now this is, I gotta change this to my live account. Okay, I'm on my live account now, and I should be in a trade. Should I? Should I wait till we get back above that trend line? Because we could be following this trend line down, or we could be following this trend line up and get above here. Questions, which trend line? Bust out of this channel, and we can go over the break and then come down to test the low. Let me see something. Make sure that. See what happened to my order. Point of control moved lower to 57. To 57. New point of control is 57. 57 even. Shoulders, head and shoulders. We got a little head and shoulders popping up. Low 54 1/4. high 60, about 6 points. Low is 54, 6 points. What we're looking at? 47, 46, 47, 48. We got a little double bottom here. Double bottom. What we do? Do we got a little double bottom here? Right now we're just in between. Like if we in between. We broke out his up channel. But between here and this channel and this little, I'll do a line right now. If we did this line here, and we draw a line here, we just in this real tight pennant right now. That's it. We just in this little range right here. Between these little, right here, this is where we are. We're just in here, just boxed in. Just boxed in, consolidating. Looks like we're getting a move, possibly to one side. I'm gonna take it if I can get it. I want to see the move. Possible the move is there. It's possible. It could be a pump. It could be a pump fake. It could be a pump. It could be a pump fake. See if we can get back up to 60. My target is always above the, always been above that high. Come on. Nope, don't want to see that. Don't want to see that. Come on. I'm looking at something here on this smaller time frame and don't look too good. I'm gonna close it out. Don't look too good. I don't like the way the 15-minute bar is looking. I'm gonna wait for that to come back. This could be a fake out. Just I want to see the 1-2. I don't want to see the pullback. Fake pump. Fake pump. Fake pump. So this came out a little bit. Let's stretch it out a little bit more. We tested up here, 61, a little 58. 55 to 45. I don't know. And if it do, timing, got a time when it's gonna go. Okay, look like it wants to go lower. See, we had to come out to test this. They had to come out the range and guess test it over top of the trend line here. And take all this away. Look at this trend here that we had come out, come back and test this as outside the support. Now let me see. This hasn't touched in support yet. So we're going to get down to this 31 if we have to get inside of the channel so we don't bounce off this channel again. So price will go over, curl over, and to wind up getting to this 45 somewhere. I mean, what is this? 31 somewhere. If it can get to 31, we definitely have some support channel above 31. If we get there today, we're looking at the 40, possibly 40. And if not, then we don't get it. Look like it still may be headed down or double bottom and then bounce up. A double bottom and bounce would be nice. Another hourly bar open up in 3 minutes. 2 minutes. 1 minute. In 2 minutes. The clock is a little fast, so in 2 minutes, this could make a nice little pop in 2 minutes. "20 seconds. Where's this 15-minute bar open up? It's gonna open up and go. It opened up. Opened at 53 and a quarter. We continue lower. It's breaking 49. Breaking 50. Didn't break the low yet. Again, I would like to see it break the low and bounce. But now S3 is inside the channel. It's possible that it can reach S3. It's 12 o'clock. 12.20. Possible to reach S3. We'll have some pullbacks on the way down. Okay, it broke 48. Bounce 45. Bounce 46. Will it bounce back up to 48? 45. Where we go? Do we bounce off to 40? Bouncing off 44. Back to 46. Test the trend line. Test the trend line. Low 44.25. Got 46 here. It stayed here for a second. There's nothing below that. That was overnight lows. Well, not overnight lows, but that wasn't overnight lows. When we get back above 50 or 53. 53 is the opening of the 6-minute chart. 53.25. Look like we may roll over. Stochastics is down. Okay, we dip below the low of the day. Let's see where the squeeze, if the squeeze comes in. Let's see if the squeeze comes in. Got 50 to 60-minute bar opened up at 53.25. We stand over 50. 51. Back over 50. Came and test the bottom of the trend, the top of the trend line. Squeeze, looking for the squeeze, possible squeeze to the upside. Okay. 53.25 is the open. Red to green for the 15-minute and the 16-minute bar. And it will also be the top of a trend line here. Nah, no, it wouldn't. Nope, no, it wouldn't. That trend line is going way out there. We got a shoulders, head, and the shoulders that may inverted head and shoulders, which is the lowest 44.25. If we break around here, the high is 53, 44. Let's say 44. Just 10 points. 54, 54, 64, 44, 54, 6 from 54 to 64. If we do an inverted head and shoulders, come down, make another shoulder, and go to the upside. Shoulders, head, shoulders. Testing 50. Testing 50. Yep, what is it? 45. Now we inside the channel. Not saying we're gonna get here, but we inside the channel. The pivot, the S3 is inside the channel. And we have stochastics rolling over. This might be the rollover. Might be. Not saying it is. I'm gonna take it if I can get it. Said it might be, not saying it is. But we got some, okay. We got some, I don't like that one. I like this one to break. That could form some support here and take a bounce. I don't like that one. That could form some support and take a bounce. I really like that as a bounce, not as a short. I really do. Yeah, I'm gonna close that. I like that as a bounce, not as a support either. If it do go, I want to see it break. I don't stop breaking fast enough, and it went. I just didn't like it. Stalling here, didn't break lower, didn't break higher. No follow through either way. Either way. Again, we in this line. We in this line. We in this line. here, in this lower line here. Which way is it gonna go? See if we get a 53 is a resistance. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Lower high. I mean high low. Round bottom. 50 round number. Maybe get a break. Test back up. Maybe we go lower. Maybe this a fake out and we go lower. We haven't really been getting any pops though. Nope. Haven't been getting any pops. May just be getting these fake outs to the upside. Let's see if we hold. Nah. Faking out. Faking out the longs. Squeeze us out. Looks like the longs is gonna be squeezed out. Yeah. Shorts is still in control. Let me take a short. Let me see. And look at this. Can't get on the right side. Let's see if I can get on the right side. See if I can get on the right side. Still may not be on the right side. Trying to get on the right side for once. Well, I did get a couple of 2-pointers, but no 4-pointers yet. Think I make out. Nah, I don't remember me getting a 4-pointer yet. 47. It's not cracking. 47. And I think this is like maybe some resistance. 47 is 45. Yeah, this 47 is holding. I'm not gonna play around this 47, 48. Don't want to play around this 47, 48 if it's not gonna crack. Only getting one tick. Like I'm at the bottom, I guess. Only one tick. That's all it's showing me. Is one tick. 2 ticks. Okay. 1 tick, 2 ticks. That's it. Yeah, this is looking, it's looking shaky. Looking real shaky. Looking like it can crack down or pop up at any time. At any time it can go either way. But look like it can go either way anytime. But you know what happens? As soon as I get out and close my position, it goes where I want it to go. Where? Which happens to a lot of us. As soon as it looks like that's where it's supposed to go. Okay. Let me get my first position. Get my first target. Don't want it to pop, just give me the first target. At 45 could be you know, a problem. Okay, then I move my position. Stop, break even. I would want to take this break at a low. I'm just I'm not gonna do it. But we're gonna get a pop off the break at the low before it even breaks. Before we even get a chance to get the profit. 45.50 is the high of this bar. We might double bottom out here and not even get the break. Can we get the break? Don't even want to give us the break. No. I've been getting the 2 points, but the 4 points it's been hard for me to get the 4 points. It's been hard for me to get. I want to add it the break, but I'm not because this haven't had any big follow through. It's been having little breaks and then pops. It'll break the low and then pop. Break the low and then pop. So if it break the low, I want to be out on the break. And it's like, no. Look at that. Okay, I'm out. Finally got two targets hit today. What's the low? 44. Broke the low. Went 3 points. Pop back up 4 points. and tested the trend line that touched this one. So we tested this trend line here. From here, test here. Now this touched again here. All right. The low on the 60-minute bar is 48.50. 48.50. On the previous 60-minute, 48.50. So is this are we going to get this reversal? Are we still following this downtrend, or we're going to get above 50 and keep going? Is the squeeze coming out? 48.50. Made low, bounce right back up. Made low, right, bounce right back up to 50. This has been the pattern on the way down. Hello?
It's Jeff. What up?
Jeff, what's going on?
Nothing. This is my business phone.
Okay.
Yeah, what's going on, man? I'm looking at the crypto, all the crypto going down.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, man. All the
Damn,
time to buy. Huh?
is everybody taking their shit out? The only one still staying alive is the top ones, like the top 10.
Well, which ones you going down? Which ones you got? Because I know you was buying some altcoins and stuff like that.
Yeah, I'm saying everything is down. I mean, the only one that's still alive is like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like the top ones. The other one, everything else is
Right. So,
going down.
well, let me ask you a question. You bought them, right?
Yeah.
Why you buy them? Is the reason that you bought them, has it changed? Has anything changed for the
No.
reason that you bought them? Then buy more. Then they added
He
that,
said buy.
then they had a discount. If you bought them at a certain, well, I don't know if yours went down from what you bought them, but I tell people, look, if the reason that you bought it hasn't changed, buy more.
Yeah, I'm like, is this crypto gonna be real, or is it only the top ones that's gonna be exchanging stuff
Well,
through the
the thing
world?
is, see, there's some that you trade, you get in and out. And there's some that you hold for 5, 10, 20 years.
Right.
So you got to figure out which ones you got. If the ones you holding for 5, 10, 20 years is low, is dipping, then you buy more. If the
No,
ones you
I
bought
hear,
for
I
trading, then
understand.
you need to take your profit when you got your profit.
No, I'm trying to hold all the ones that I'm putting money into for like years.
Some of them ain't
That's my
right. Some of them ain't for that though. That's why I asked you which ones you speculating on.
no. I'm speculating on real world asset ones. You know, that they use in everyday life
Right.
because those the ones I'm
Well, like
buying and holding.
XRP, Ethereum,
Oh yeah, well
Bitcoin.
those they the top ones. They gonna move, but I'm talking about like there's other ones um that's you know
What you got? H
uh,
bar,
uh,
FAR,
yeah, I only got a little bit of that, but
Solana.
I wanted to buy more. No, I don't even have no Solana, but it's like one's called Arai Chain, Manta, and stuff like that. Those are listed under real world assets.
Okay, so what are they? So what are the real world utilities for it?
Some of them are payments, some of them to build blockchains and, different things that they use in the real world.
Now, who are the? But okay, but who are now? Not but now. Who are the developers and owners of that? Who the team? Who the team?
Yeah, that, I don't know offhand, but I
That
would have to look
yeah, that's what I
into
do.
that.
I look at the real world utilities of it, because anybody can make a coin and say, well, this is utilities of it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Now,
Uh-huh.
who's the team? Now, if it's some rinky dink team, then you like, hold up. You know what I mean? But if I look at a lot of stuff, not a lot of stuff. I got a speculated coin, IOTA, Internet of Things, right? But I looked at
Right.
the team. All of the team is from Google, from Google, Microsoft. They from the big boys that started their own coin for certain things.
Right.
But so you got,
Right.
yeah, so definitely look at the team to see if it's unknowns just trying to, just putting something out there, or if it's a real team
Uh-huh.
also.
Yeah, understandable.
Yeah.
Understandable. But shit, I'm just saying, all of this shit is going down. My thought is this shit over?
No,
And
that's
they
when you
stringing
see, that's the thing. You got to reverse your mindset. If you bought something and you thought it had some value to go up, if it go down, then you should be buying it at a discount. If you see a
yeah, but
pair of
some of
Jordans
these
in a sneaker, if you see a pair of Jordans and if you see a pair of Jordans and you know they worth 200, and somebody in the street said, "Look, I'm gonna give it to you for $50," you're not gonna be like, "Oh, the price is down. I'm gonna man get out of here." You're gonna be like, "How many
oh
you got?"
yeah, that's something you could use.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Why did you buy it in the first place? Is you just speculating, or is it at a discount?
Uh, well, let me say this. Even Crow
Yeah, Crow is good
is
right now. Buy all you can right now at 10 cents, 11 cents. Yeah. Because I believe one day it's
yeah,
going to be $1, $2 to $3 a file, between 1 and 5. So yeah, my dude Jay, he just bought like another 100,000. No, what he bought? I bought another 50,000 Crow because he want to get 500,000 Crow. So he got his thing where he know how many Crow he want, he know how many Ethereum, he know how many Bitcoin, and once he accumulate that, then he like, look, I'm good. This is what I want. He not looking daily. It's up, it's down. When it's down, he buy more. When it's down,
no,
because
yeah,
he believe in why he bought it. He bought it for the 5, 10, 20 years. Wherever it's at in those years, that's where it's gonna be. But
right.
when it go down, he gonna buy as much as he can.
Uh,
So just, I mean, so don't worry about it. If it's down, yeah, it's at a discount. That's the mindset. It's cheap. I'm buying as much as I can. You know what I'm saying? It's like any asset. You gotta look at it like any asset. If you got a house and somebody bought it at 400,000, then the market drop and now houses are worth 350. They not gonna get. They gonna live in it, sit on it, and maybe 5, 10 years from now, houses be over what they bought it for.
Oh yeah, of course, of course, of course.
So yeah, that's what actually if it's not if why you bought it, if why you bought it, the reason you first bought it hasn't changed, then buy more or hold on to what you got. If you know if you don't want to buy more, if the reason why you bought it is speculating, then you're gonna get scared. You're gonna be like, well, damn, is it over? What's over? It's just starting. If you remember, crypto can go down 80%. We know this.
Anything, stock, houses, anything.
Right, but we know crypto is more volatile. We know Bitcoin to go 16,000 down to 3,000. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah.
Hey, when you see the swings down, if you think it's gonna, if you still believe that whatever you see, you should have price targets for whatever you buy over a certain period of time. So if you still believe that if you bought it for 5 to 10 years and you still believe that it's gonna be there in 5 to 10 years, then you keep buying, or you hold on to what you got for 5 to 10 years.
Right.
You know, if you don't believe in it and you just buying it, if you don't really know why you bought it, or you just bought it because some other people was like, or you heard the hype about it, yeah, then you're gonna be like, oh, it's going down. Is it over? I should get out. But you gotta know why you bought it, why you holding it, what you buying, and what you holding, and you know what I'm saying. If you speculating, then you take your profits when you got it. If you're not speculating, then you hold it and buy more. The only reason you should be scared is if you speculating on stuff you don't understand.
Oh yeah.
Because somebody said, yo, this is hot. And then you go and buying it because somebody's saying it's hot or it got some hype to it. So that's what I do. I know at some point in time, the Internet of Things is going to be everywhere, which is, now that's a very long time because I'm watching flippers, you know what I'm saying? People that flip houses. At this time, it's not standard to put in a washing machine or stove or refrigerator, you know what I mean? Or your lights that's connected to your phone or the internet. That's not standard yet. When that comes, you know, when that becomes standard, then that's going to be connected to the Internet of Things. You know what I mean? So that's a long-term play for me. That's why I know I don't care about it. I bought what I bought, and I'm gonna sit on and hold it. If it work out, cool. If it don't, and I lose that, I'm willing to. You know what I'm saying? So that's how, you know, that's how I play it.
Gotcha.
That's how I play.
Yes.
But look at the team. Look at the team, man. Look at the team. Always see who on that team that's doing it. Because everybody that is doing it don't mean they should be doing it. Or they got the capability to do it, you know. I definitely look at the team. Cause you still holding on to those AI stocks? That AI stuff?
Yeah.
How is it doing? Is it up or down?
It's down. Everything is down.
Right.
Everything.
What's this?
Everything. Excuse me?
You sent me a ticket for like you get a rollback for ultimate partnering. What's this?
Well, yeah, I sent that to you.
Okay.
What that is you meet a bunch of investors
Mm-hmm.
and people who may wanna invest in your deal or whatever. It's in Dallas.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I don't think that's until September of 2026, but it's $200. So
Okay. You said
I'm gonna go.
you sent me something else about was that you? Sent me the buying emoji like you was buying something. Oh yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that was me just fucking around. I
Oh.
sent. That's my new emoji.
I'm like, what you buying?
No, and I was just chilling. Hello? Yeah, I was just messing around, man.
Okay.
That's my new emoji.
Okay.
I used to have a different one, but that's my new